Lots of pressure. Okay, let's do. Coach, you get the middle. It was all warm up, showing off his muscles and stuff. Alright. We're gonna see, you guys be surprised. Okay, Cody, you get down the middle. And I'll grab one of you guys up here. Uncle Stevie!
Do you like my whale necklace?
That's Uncle Steve, everybody. Say hi to Uncle Steve. Steve's the tour manager. Okay, let's get it cracking. Can you sneak over here, please? Alright. So, whatever he does, you minus 10. We're gonna subtract 10 from whatever Darren gets, okay? Alright, Cody, you're gonna set the pace. Everyone's gonna count with me, right? Okay, cool. Cody, show us the pace. What are we doing? What? This is a soundcheck party. Not a striptease. Alright, I know actually something fair. Darren's gonna start before everybody. Darren's got 5 and then the rest of you start, okay? Everyone down, everyone down. Yeah. Oh, we have no music, eh, right? No music since Ryan's up here, but that's cool. Okay, you guys ready? Hold on. Coach. Darren's gonna do 5. When he hits 5, you guys start at 1. Ready, Darren? Alright, here goes Darren. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, go. Everyone count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow down, Darren.
12, 13. Oh my god.
Ooh, Ryan John, hang it in there.
19, 20.
Girls still going hard.
23, 24, 25.
Okay, we got one down. Give her a round of applause, everybody. We got 4 more, 5 more in a minute. Okay, we got 2 down. Give her